Green horizons.
In the heart of the bustling cityscape, where skyscrapers reach for the heavens and streets buzz with the rhythm of urban life, lies a hidden oasis, a sanctuary of greenery and tranquility amidst the concrete jungle. Here, amidst the chaos of city living, hangs a tapestry of lush foliage, cascading like emerald waterfalls from the heights of buildings and structures, transforming the landscape into a verdant paradise. As you navigate the city streets, your eyes are drawn upward, captivated by the sight of hanging plants adorning balconies, facades, and street lamps. Each plant, suspended in midair, serves as a beacon of life and vitality in an otherwise sterile environment. Vibrant blooms burst forth from cascading vines, their petals glistening in the sunlight, while trailing foliage drapes gracefully over architectural features, softening the harsh edges of the urban landscape. The design of these green spaces is nothing short of breathtaking, a testament to the power of nature to thrive in even the most unlikely of environments. Hanging plants of all shapes and sizes are strategically placed to maximize visual impact and create a sense of harmony within the cityscape. Vertical gardens climb the walls of buildings, their intricate patterns and textures creating a living canvas that evolves with the changing seasons. Balconies are transformed into lush retreats, with planters overflowing with herbs, flowers, and succulents, providing residents with a slice of nature in the heart of the city. But it's not just the beauty of these green spaces that captivates the imagination, it's their ability to connect people with the natural world in unexpected ways. As you stroll through the city streets, you encounter pockets of greenery at every turn, public parks, rooftop gardens, and community spaces, all adorned with hanging plants that beckon you to pause and linger a while. The benefits of designing green spaces in the cityscape extend far beyond aesthetics.
Damn.